Whoa, yeah. Oh, no, I know that you guys are for what is 0 divided by 0 and not to my pimple problem. I need to change my soap. Okay, I'll do that later. So, yeah, to know what 0 divided by 0 is, we need to change and broaden our current definition of classical physics. So, um, if anybody asks you what is 0 divided by 0, um, so you have like three or four answers. You could say it's 0, it's not defined, obviously it's not defined, or it's infinity. There's this site in Facebook. So I just went and checked it out, and I asked them what is 0 divided by 0. Not surprisingly, they answered. Actually, I got four answers. What is it, like an MCQ question that you must choose a correct answer? So their four answers were: 1 infinity, 2 not defined, 3 0, 4 not defined. I asked you guys to clear my doubt, not to extend it. So after a lot of approach, I found out this method. Yeah, you love it. So yeah, the 0 by 0 paradox. Consider the equation x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2, which is fx. Now fx is true for x is equals to 1. Now x is equals to, if x is equals to 1, fx is equals to 3, and if x is equals to 3, f3 is equals to 5. But here is where we have the problem. f of 2, f of 2 will be 2 square minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2. Now that's 0 by 0. By classical max, it's too false to be true. It's really very false. I mean, it cannot exist. It's not defined. Now let us use limits. So yeah, and if you guys really don't know what limits are, you just can go and watch some videos or take some max book. Okay, so now let us take a digit that's infinitely close to 2, that is 0 1.99999, and that's really very long. Okay, it's so close to 2 that you cannot even imagine. It's beyond your imagination. Okay, and one more is 2.00001. Okay, fx is possible for these given values but not for 2. Why not? Now I have a graph over here. This point over here, it's 2, and right below it we have 1.999, 1, and above it we have 2.00001. Okay, it's really close. I'm coming to 1 from my left hand side, that's 1.9. I'm coming to 2 from here, and I'm also coming from the right hand side, that's from 2.001. I'm coming from up and I'm coming from down. These can also be known as the left hand limit and the right hand limit. Now let me explain you what this LHS, LHL and RHL are. LHL is the value of y that is infinitely close to 2. Same for RHL. Okay, these are very close. Now that is, if LHL is equals to RHL, that means limit extends to 0. f of 2 minus delta x is equals to limit extend delta x tends to 0, f of 2 plus delta x. This delta x is really very small, and If this phenomena is possible, then limit delta x tends to 2, f of 2 is true. It's right. But let me get you straight here. This is not true. Even though it might sound it, it is, but it's not true. These are close, but not accurately. These are precisely close, but not accurately. Okay, so f of x is not true, as these equations are not true. Similarly, a limit delta x tends to 0 sine x divided by x, where x is equals to 0. Even in this case, we have 0 by 0. These are known as standard indeterminate factors. So these are not determined. So then what is 0 by 0 anyway? It is indeterminable or not defined. Let me remind you, right over here, I have said that, yeah, by classical max, it's too false to be true. Yeah, I said it should not be not defined, but here, after coming here, I'm telling it's defined. It's not defined. Well, the reason why I said it is because when I heard others saying this, they have some weird theories, and they just went above my head. So these limits can get us a clear-cut information about why this happens. So yeah. So yes, look, it's so simple. You need to redefine what you have been currently learned. So yes, it's great. It's great for me. I don't know if it's great for you. If it's not great for you, remove all of your rage in the comment section below. And yeah, if you liked my video, if you liked my explanation, if you liked my, you know what, beard. Wait, nobody likes my beard. Okay, let's make it simple. If you liked my video, kill the like button. And if you hate my beard, everybody hates it. Subscribe. Seems fair? Okay.